Gold and silver both have started the week on a bullish note. We have seen both recovering from the lows and specifically silver hitting $27 levels, while gold is also seen trading towards 23.14, 23.16 zone. Now, what to expect today? How to profit trading gold and silver, where to buy, where to sell, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day, 2 targets a day, so that you can all profit throughout the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see gold was trading in this channel here. Now, if you look at these were the earlier lows, these were the last lows what we have seen. Though despite these are lower lows, it has failed to move towards the bottom of the channel. At the same time, on the top of the channel, you can see a breakout, but still it has failed to, or it has struggled to stay above this. Now, what has happened since then? After the drop, it has been trading sideways. Now it is trying to look upwards. However, there are 3 key zones which it needs to break in order to confirm a rise. First, 23.14.16, next 23.20.22, and then 23.26.28. If these 3 levels are taken, specifically today, if you see gold is staying above 23, 26 and 28 zone, then we can say now it is turning bullish, else it is still not bullish. It may try to trade sideways, but I will not confirm this as a bullish reversal. Though there is a possibility and there is a stronger probability that it can try to rise towards those zones. Now look at the Bollinger Bands, which is narrowed. It is trying to expand here. You can also look at the preceding candle. Now preceding candle and the preceding candle to that, you will find a strong bullish candle. It continued with the momentum but lost the momentum. It was also outside Bollinger Bands. The body size is less than half of this complete candle. So I will definitely watch out for what it does with the current move. Possibility exists that it can try to retrace. Also, it may try to trade in this zone where it can move towards 2300 or 2297.95 zone and bounce back. So this is one option you should not miss. See, on the hourly charts, moving averages have started to look upwards, but these have not yet crossed over. So once they cross over and continue to diverge, then only you can confirm that it is reversed. And that is why I say it is going to take a little time, maybe 23, 26, 28 if it breaks. Certainly you can say that it is reversed. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD. It has stabilized here in the zone. Now it is crossed over, trying to trade with divergence. Suggests that there is slight bullishness still inherent in the move. RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, certainly we are looking at lower highs and lower lows here. If you notice, after the bottom here, it has tried to confine its movement within this channel, which is a slightly bearish channel. It has to give a breakout, and that also makes 23, 26, 28 as a good resistance zone, and then 23, 36, 38 will come into picture. Right now also one must notice it is almost forming a good flat surface here. With that flat surface, look at the 2-hour charts. The preceding candle was the first bullish candle, a stronger bullish candle, and the current candle, if it stays above 23, 20, 22, you can say more bullishness may prevail. See the neck here on the Bollinger Bands. It has narrowed here. It is trying to diverge. Let's see if it requires a couple or more candles for it to diverge. Stochastic rising. MACD is also divergent and bullish. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, we are looking at higher lows, higher highs. It has to break beyond 23.16 levels and then 23.20 and 22 in order to confirm. So that is going to be the buying entry for us today. If you see gold is staying beyond 23.16 levels, you can initiate a buying entry, wait for 23.20, 22 zone to be taken, and then 23.26, 28 to be taken. Looking at the candle here, the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and a greener body closing at the top, suggests that there is bullishness. But I will definitely observe where the current candle closes. That is also going to hold a prime importance. Stochastic rising. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour charts. If you look at 4-hour, again here consolidation going on, lower highs, higher lows. Also, most important part is, see from where the preceding candle has shown this pullback, almost from the support levels close to 22.90 levels. This holds a very important observation because, see, if you look at none of the candles here, preceding candles closed below 22.90, making it a stronger support zone, and today hitting the zone, it is again bounced back. At the same time, the second observation here is, look at the 50 and 100 period crossover. 2318, 2320 zone, and these are trading with divergence. These are staying bearish. The median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average are sitting at around 2304.06 zone. So this is also going to be one support zone which it needs to break in order to trade with slight bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily charts, if you look at daily charts, and before we look into daily charts and I share the trading levels and strategy, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming week. Do register yourself now. In this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trades specifically curated for you all so that you can all enrich with the years of experience we have, and the tools we have developed will definitely help you identify the profitable trades with ease, and you can trade profitably. So do not miss this learning journey. Cherish the learning for life. Reach out to me for details. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals also you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is with global presence, with global repute, and which offers easier withdrawals and transactions, and which also offers a swap-free account with the lowest spread so that you can save much of your fees. You can join the broker with no hidden charges as recommended. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, 20 period moving average sitting at 2320. Very strong resistance is seen here. Look at the last 3 to 4 candles. None of the candles closed above 20 period moving average, suggests that there is definitely good resistance here. Second observation here is, see, one bullish candle, then again a bearish one, then a swing. Today it is opened with a flat note and it is right now in the swing zone. It is neither bullish nor bearish as of now. Very clear. Now, can it move towards 2340, towards the median of the Bollinger Bands? There is a possibility to it. But if you look at the complete movement after the drop, it has been trading in this bearish channel. If you notice, it is how right now it is positioned. And thus it is very important for gold to break first this zone, then we will look forward to this zone, and then 2350. So there are 3 key levels which it needs to break. Now what has happened for the day? It is open flat, it has moved downwards and then showed a pullback. So it appears right now it is consolidating its position and not willing to take a direction. And now which direction it may take, that is something we should look at. But ideally there could be a possibility of a little rise before it looks forward to a fall. Stochastic is rising. Now look, MACD has seen a strong bearish momentum so far. It has come from the top, it is still looking downwards. RSI is staying flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy today only at 2316 levels. If you are buying at 2316, just be careful at around 2320, 22, which is going to be the first resistance, 23, 26, 28 the next. And then we can look, if it stays about 23, 26, 28, you can say now gold is reversing. And then I will look forward to 23, 35, 36, or rather 36, 38 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone. Beyond any move beyond 23, 36, 38 should take it towards 2350, and beyond 2350 it is a moderate reversal which is going to take it towards 2370 and 2372 zone. But right now I do not see the same momentum in the prices here, and the day has just started, so it has taken a turn, but it can again take a U-turn and drop sharply. So how to profit with the sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 2304 levels. But if you're selling at 2304, you have to wait for 2298, 2300 levels, first support levels, 2294, 92, the second support levels, and then 2284, 85, the third. If it draws below 2284, 85, then we can say now we are looking forward to a sharper fall here, and it is going to deliver similar size of candle which can in fact take it till towards 2265, 2250 levels and 2240 levels very soon, if not today. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share and comment. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, you'll find $27 levels, critical resistances. Now eliminate this. Yes, we know that it is a box in which it is trying to trade, but just connect this and connect this. You will find after the drop it is starting to retrace now. Where are the lows of this channel? The lows are somewhere at around 2635, 2640 zone. If it continues to trade bearish from here. Second observation here is, you can find out the good support it has created here at 2635.40. Indeed is a good support, and 2660 is the first support levels. Look at the moving averages. These have started to look upward. These have crossed over, certainly making 2660 also is a very good target. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI flat near to top. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, yes, this is hitting the flat top here at 27, and this also makes it clear that if, and see, we have discussed so many times that if silver breaks now beyond 2720, 2740, we can say that it is reversing. So it is trying to come back into the zone, and if you see silver trading about $27 today, if you see the lower price is about 27, you can initiate a buying entry. You have to be very careful in between 2720, 2740 zone, and if silver stays about 2720, 2740, then you can say we are looking forward to a further rise. Now see why it is. Look at the drop, the retracement, the drop here, and then the retracement. Also, if you connect it here, you will find lower lows, lower highs. Thus it is very important for silver now to break beyond 27, 20 and 40 in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, look at the formation here. Certainly you are looking at higher lows and higher highs, but also one must notice the support seen here at 2660. So only selling entry today I will recommend is at 2660 levels, and this complete zone is going to act as a very good support in between 2660 and 2680. Next is stochastic is right. That sign of bullishness. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, if you notice, again I am highlighting this, that it is the box in which it is trying to trade. And second thing is, it is coming after the drop, it is trading sideways, so possibility for it to take this trend again exists strong. However, this will be nullified if the silver prices breaks beyond 2740. Thus, it is very important for us to observe how it behaves at around 2720, 2740. Also, if you look at higher lows, higher highs are seen, but right now I can definitely see it is struggling at around 27 levels. So let's see if it breaks beyond. Stochastic is rising, MACD is also bullish, and RSI staying flat. Coming to daily, likewise on the daily chart, see one bearish candle, then swings here, higher lows, higher highs, 20 period moving average, giving it a stronger resistance here. And also if you look at, if you connect the dots here, this is how silver has been trading after this big bearish move. It is trading in this channel. So I will wait for, maybe today it can try to confine its movement within the zone, failing to break below 26, 30, 40 zone on the downside, and failing to stay above 27, 27, 20 zone on the upside. We may see a limited movement, and then the next candle tomorrow we are going to see how it behaves. So the day has just started. We can still expect swings here in the silver prices. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI rising, signs of bullishness. So looking at this, very simple, buy when you see lower prices above 27. But as I see it, it is going to be slight riskier, because 2710, 2720 is still going to be the first resistance. And as I said, as long as 2740 is not taken, there are going to be stronger resistances for silver on the upside. So if you are taking a position, you have to be very cautious from 27. You have to be very cautious, specifically till 2720, 2740 is not taken today. Thus, you have to trail your stop losses. Beyond 2740 is where we are looking forward to a stronger bullish move, which can take it towards 2775, 80, in fact $28 levels, chances for which today appears to be less. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2670. You have to wait for 2650 and 40 to be taken on the downside. Below 2640 is where the bears will take over completely, and we will look forward to 2620, $26 levels as the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share and comment. Do watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel. Join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again in few hours from now. Thank you.